What's up, YouTube? We will get started here momentarily. Let me get a chance to get set up here. We'll get started here at 8 o'clock. What is up? How are you guys doing on this bloodbath of a day for crypto? Let me get my TikTok set up here and then we'll get started. Let me make sure my sound's working. Yup, it is. That's good. If you guys have any coin requests, let me know. Drop a like if you're on YouTube. I appreciate it. Okay, now that I'm ready, we'll get started here in about 2 more minutes. God, Juju coin looks awful. I was going to try to find music, but I don't think that's going to happen in the next 30 seconds. So, without further ado, let's see what people are saying on TradingView before we get started while we wait. XLM, what are people saying about XLM? Make that smaller so you guys can see the whole chart. I will say this, if you have any hope on Bitcoin at all, how's it going, Eric? We are going up on the 15-minute chart. If you guys want to watch it and see the see the charts, we are on YouTube, Crypto Boss Andrew. If you guys are in my Telegram chat, I did leave the link there. Right now we're at $31,900. Our next resistance is gonna be, we have to get about 33.3, then 38K, and then from there we can go higher to 42K and 40K. But first of all, we need to get back above 33.3, and we can't break 31.1 because that's a major local low as of about 5 weeks ago, I think, when we touched it, and we got a major bounce off of it, and that was after we hit 30K, went up a little bit, then retraced back to 31.1. So it's a major local low. If we go below that, you're going to see 30K next very quickly, actually, and then my guess is you break 30K if you can't hold 31.1. So as of today, we've been able to hold it, but I would say if you break 31.1, it's pretty much over for Bitcoin until maybe 20K, honestly. I hate to say that, but it's kind of what's going on right now. So, where's XLM? Yeah, we'll look at XLM. So, yeah, that's what Bitcoin's doing right now. You got some buy signals right here. You are trying to go up here, but overall, it looks really bad. The RSI, where's the RSI at? RSI is currently at 45 on the 30 minutes, so let's go to the daily chart. I want to see the daily chart. That's probably what we should be looking at. Daily chart, the RSI is at 34, so almost over, well, it's very much oversold. Yeah, overall, though, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. If we hold 31.1, then that's kind of what we need to be doing. But it doesn't look good, for sure. All right, let's go look at XLM. XLM on Coinbase, not to BTC, but to this. XLM currently sitting at 25 cents. Yikes. You have support at 22, and that resistance is up there at 35 cents. If we go to the daily chart, let's see what the daily chart looks like. Everything is just going down, right? You did get the buy on the daily chart a few days ago. It doesn't seem like it's been playing out, but then again, you'd expect that to probably not play until you're at support, which would be about 20 to 22 cents. I think it's 20. I don't know why there's 2 lines here. It should be 20 cents as the next support. So if you get a bounce here at 20 cents, you'd be targeting 35 cents on the upside if you were to go back up there. And I would expect a strong bounce at 20 cents if nothing else. You're already getting something here. So Bitcoin reverses here. You could actually just get the bounce right here at 24 cents. You did go all the way down to 22.5 cents. So yeah, you got strong support at 20 cents, and you got that resistance level at 35 cents, which is not, I don't think this resistance level is as strong as this 43 cent resistance level. So 43 cents is strong resistance. I would say 35 cents is, resistance, but I don't think it's as strong as 43 cents. But it's still going to take some power to get through that 35-cent resistance. So that's your price levels you're currently looking at on XLM. So right now at 20 cents could be a great buying opportunity, assuming Bitcoin doesn't break 30K. Now, if we go to the smaller time frames, yeah, a lot of sell signals. Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour chart on XLM. You still get the sell signal, so maybe just not yet is the greatest time to buy. But I think if you're looking at the bigger picture in the next few months, I think this is probably still a pretty good time to accumulate XLM, considering the fact that it was at 80 cents just a month ago or whatever, maybe a little longer than that. But yeah, even the 30-minute chart is still saying sell, so maybe just hold off on this. Maybe put start dollar cost averaging in around 20 cents or something. But even the 15-minute chart is still saying it's a sell. 5-minute, the same thing. So yeah, I think I wouldn't be getting in yet, but that's just me. Now, if we want to go look at Juju Coin, dare I want to look at this because this has been an absolute nightmare to hold. Down 13% in the last 2 hours because the new day just started about 2 hours ago. This is going to be the daily chart, just straight down. I'm pretty sure I'm down about 70% of my position. I'm just guessing. I don't even really want to look because I'm just holding until it goes back up because I know it will when Bitcoin goes back up. So I'm just holding this right now. But yeah, you don't lose until you sell, right? So any other coin requests? Let's go see if there's any other new ones. Someone wants to look at H-bar. Yeah, we can do FEG. I mean, I don't. Okay, I'll show you the FEG chart. This is the FEG chart. So I don't know if on TradingView I can't do much technical analysis on this. I'll go to the daily chart. And the price level is 0 on to wrap Ethereum. So maybe I can go over to the other. To this. Yeah, H-bar. How low will H-bar go in Ethereum? So we'll look at H-bar, then we'll look at FEG. So let me do H-bar first because someone on TikTok wants to see it. If you guys want to see the charts, it's going to be on YouTube. Crypto Boss Andrew. H-bar is on Binance. We'll do the Binance chart. Alright, I don't know the last time I've looked at H-bar, but I have looked at it before because I have supports on this chart. So we had that resistance at 27 cents, or the current resistance is going to be about 27 cents. On H-bar, you're right at support there at 16 cents. Currently at 17 cents right now, but I have that support between 15 and 16 cents. So that's where you have support. Now, if you break that support, your next support is probably going to be about 10 cents on H-bar. So that would be, if Bitcoin reverses off of this local low at 31.1, then I don't think it's going below that support around around 16 cents. But if Bitcoin goes to 30K or way lower, then you're probably going to see, 10 cents maybe on H-bar. So that's what I'm looking at on H-bar. Now, if I go to the, smaller time frames like the 6-hour chart, you're still getting sell signals, although the Bollinger Bands are saying it's going to become a buy here soon. 30-minute chart is still saying sell, so probably still not quite the right time to get in just yet. What I would do on all these altcoins is wait for Bitcoin to get above 33.3, and if it does, then maybe you have a chance to see 38K. And when you do that, then I think it's much safer to get into these coins, because I think right now you're just asking to catch a falling knife on most of these coins. But I would say the buy would be 10 cents on H-bar if Bitcoin goes to 20K. It could actually go way lower than 10 cents, but that's the next support below 16 cents. And then we want to go look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 2.5% in the last hour. It is a buy on the 30-minute chart. Ethereum is. So we could be seeing at least a dead cat bounce off of that 31.1 level on Bitcoin, which is leading everything to go up short term here. I shouldn't say everything. A lot of coins are still deep in the red, but so you got that buy on the 30-minute. 15-minute is still saying sell, but the 30-minute chart did say it's a buy, and since then you've been going up. But you do have that resistance level at $2,000, which is only $60 away on Ethereum, so be aware of that. Then if you break that, I would say 25.40 is next on Ethereum. So that's Ethereum. Let's go over to look at FEG. I'm hoping that the DEX tools chart is going to be better than the TradingView chart. Yeah, I'm hoping. We'll see if the price is different. It's still wrapped Ethereum though, so I don't know. So since it's little, well, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So you got that resistance level on the daily chart on FEG at 27.05. So basically 27, right? Let me get this full screen on FEG. The other support level that I'm just doing really quick. Actually, the other resistance level would be 1770. Let me see if... I think I also drew a support before at 5144, which it looks like that's what we're at right now. So you're right at that support. If you broke that, your next support below that would probably be right here at 28, basically 27.95. So that's how I'm looking at. Those are, take a screenshot of that or whatever. That's at least quickly what I'm seeing on the daily chart for FEG. So if you break that support, you could go 50% lower or something, whatever that. From 51.44 to 27.95, whatever that would be. And then crypto coin, I know that's on TradingView. And we will do OKX. Bitcoin to 20K, it's possible. I think short term you could get a dead cat bounce if nothing else on Bitcoin. From 31.1. Do you think this will be the fastest bear market in the history of crypto? Well, me personally, I haven't sold anything, right? So I don't think we're in a bear market. I think we're in a short-term bear market, but I don't think this is going to be the bear market that takes us below 20K. In no bull run have we ever gone below the last all-time high from the previous bull market. So I think this is a short-term bear market in a bull market. That's what I'm thinking. So that's just my thoughts on that. Crypto coin. All right. So you got the sell signal on the daily chart. You got support at 6 cents. God, that's insane, because we were looking at this a few months ago at 20 cents, which I guess that's only a 50% dip compared to some other coins that are down way more than that. But yeah, go to the 6-hour chart. You got some buy signals coming in on crypto coin. Now be aware that was at 10 cents. It's only 10% lower than that now, I guess. So crypto coin looking like a possible buy, but now on the 1-hour chart it's saying it's a sell again. And your next major support is going to be around 5 or 6 cents. I have it at 6.2 cents, but 6 cents is probably going to be that closer to that support. And then there's, of course, psychological support probably at 5 cents. But I have support at 6.2 cents. Let's go see what the 30-minute chart is saying for crypto coin. Saying a buy, so you could be getting that reversal here because Bitcoin is going back up. What is Bitcoin now? Let's go check on Bitcoin again. No, Bitcoin's 19. I'm looking at Ethereum. Oh, we are getting. Wait, are we? Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a rally here because I'm looking at the daily chart on Bitcoin, and we're at 32.3 right now on Bitcoin. So up $1,000 from that local low at 31.1 and looking decent here. Now, I think, so here's what's going to happen. You're going to go test 33.3 here, I think. It looks like that's where the momentum is going to take us to 33.3. You're welcome. ETH bottom, it could be here right now, at least short term. Because of Bitcoin is bouncing. But I think you can go test 33.3 because that was another local low that's been broken several times, so it's not as strong as 31. It's not $33,300 is not as strong of a local low as 31.1 because you broke it now. So now that's going to act as resistance. If you break 33.3, your next target is going to be actually $38,000. So it's going to be pretty bullish short term if Bitcoin can get back above 33.3 and close like an hourly candle above it. So we'll see what happens on Bitcoin. Hopefully this pump can continue. Not saying it's a pump because we're still down in the last 24 hours quite a bit, but it's it's a relief rally is what it is at this point. I don't think it's anything more than that until we get above 33.3 and start going up from there. If you close a daily hourly candle above 33.3, then I have hope maybe in bigger time frames to see 38K and retest 40K at some point. But you can't do any of that until you show us that you can at least get above that local low or resistance at 33.3. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. It's really nice to see that it's having at least some sort of bounce here. Well, I'm holding everything. Like I said, I have not sold any of my crypto. Even if, I'm down a lot, I believe this, and it's true. You don't lose any money until you sell, even if you're in the red. Because eventually, crypto is going to go back up. Whether this bull market is over, which I don't think it is, but if it is over, short term it is, maybe long term I don't think it is. Like, I think in the next 3 months, I think by the end of July, the very latest, Bitcoin will be above $42,000, and I'm hoping it's by the end of this month. But I think beginning of July, no later than the end of July, if by August 1st we're not above 42K, the bull market's over, right? So I don't think bull market's over though. So that's just what I'm. Yeah, crypto coins killing you. Yeah, but I don't think this bull market's over, so I don't see Bitcoin going below 31.1 honestly, and if it does, I don't. If it goes below 30K, I think it's probably over. But as long as that doesn't happen, I don't think it's gonna be a major issue. I mean, short term it will be. It's gonna suck until we get above 42K. But anyways, that's my thoughts on this current bull market and what state we're in. So I think it is worth the hold. Are there any other coin requests? If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you, Eric. Have a good one. For ETH flipping, yeah. I don't know if that's going to happen this cycle over Bitcoin, but I don't even know if it's ever going to happen, honestly. I think I'm not a big believer that ETH is going to flip Bitcoin, honestly, ever. But we'll see what happens. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Central Time. Until tomorrow, trade safe, put your stop losses in, and hopefully we hold 31.1. Because if we don't, it's going to get a lot worse. Alright.